Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our last video we're talking about how to create a custom checkout page using Elementor. Today we'll learn how to create a checkout page using Elementor. Go to our Elementor templates, save templates. You prerequisite you must need to pro template for our that purpose, pro Elementor plugin. So need to add up new single page checkout. Checkout page. Once the page is created, and template single page, create template. Let me show you our default page of checkout. Add item to cart. So choose this, add to cart. Please choose a product by visiting. Yes, go to view cart. So this is a cart we have created by using Elementor. You can more modify. Our video is available. Please watch our video. Also video attached in above card and video description. Proceed to checkout. So this is our default checkout page, which is come with Elementor or with theme. So how to modify this using Elementor? So go to Elementor, so close finally. First you need to add display condition singular, pages, choose checkout, save and close. Reload again. This is now I think so empty page. Yeah, so now you can have fully access of Elementor to create a checkout. So for checkout you need to search checkout. So this widgets you must be used for checkout form. So in WooCommerce have additional checkout form information, checkout form, payment method. You can also use a pro version of WooCommerce. So once you use a pro version of WooCommerce, you have all access of these widgets. So only we have a free version, we just drag. So now you can see here's two column our checkout page. You can have a more setting. We can make it one column if you want. We can make it two column. Sticky row, so it's a sticky, make it sticky. So now you can billing details you can set up and add below, change the setting. So advanced here you can set up advanced features. You can set I think so it's not able to drag, so you can drag, but you can change the name values and something else. So you can change the labels and shipping details. Here's the shipping detail, ship to different address. You can change from here. You can change the labels from here. Also additional information, order note. So you can set his order notes here. You change the values. Let's suppose only choose note or notes. So you can also shut off that information and your order information. Here's your order information. So you can set alignment according to coupon. So if you close the off coupon, you can just here's the payment method. Here hold the detail of payment method here, and you can change the terms and condition links here. This is the terms and condition links of your page, privacy policy and terms and condition page link. You can set here button alignment, full button width. Now the styling. These are basic features. You can section wise whole section styling here, typography of section, whole different titles, secondary titles, descriptions, messages, checkboxes, radio buttons, and here's the styling of forms. You can set a column gap, you can set a row gap, you can set a typo spacing, you can set a typography, text color, each and everything which you want to set here you can easily set. And you can set anything. You have a lot of features. You can set order summary, so you can row gap, this is the order summary, so you can set a weight, you can set a weight divider weight, you can here something like this. Purchase button as a below, typography setup button separately. You can also set customer billing details, so customize billing details if you want don't have the widgets here. Let's suppose shipping details, we don't have a widget here. You choose here custom setting, and this option available in custom section because payment option not available there, but the payment option is available here. So you can set here from your payment options, and these are multiple styling. And just update, go to here, reload the checkout form, so it's, you can see it's updated each and everything. So thank you very much for watching our video. This is a basic and simple way how to create a checkout page by using Elementor. If you like our video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Your support is really appreciated for us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.